Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can activate developer option on your Android phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, open your settings application on your Android phone, and after you have your settings application opened, you can scroll down your screen until you find the about phone option. This one. Tap on the about phone option, and then you're going to click on the software information right here. Okay, then if you want to activate your developer option, you can click on the build number. You have to keep tapping on it until the developer option has been activated. So just keep tapping on it like this. Okay, and now the developer mode has been turned on, and we can check the developer option mode. So we can go back to the settings menu. Okay, now as you can see that the developer options has been activated, and we are going to tap on it to check the developer option. Alright, and this is my developer options. Okay guys, and that's how we can activate developer option on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.